Hello and welcome, creative friends. I'm so happy you're here today because I have something really special to share with you. Today I want to take you on a little journey through my beautiful accordion garden journal. A journal that celebrates spring, nature, memories and all the little magical moments that make life feel special. This journal was created using the absolutely lovely garden notes kit from Bee Happy Stationery, and I had so much fun bringing it to life. So grab yourself a cozy drink, get comfortable and let's have a look together. Before we begin, I should warn you, this accordion journal is very long. In fact, it's so long that it simply doesn't fit into my camera angle all at once. So today I'll be showing it to you step by step, page by page, so you can enjoy all the little details along the way. Right here at the front we have a sweet little tuck spot filled with treasures. There's a pocket tag and some beautiful writing paper tucked inside, perfect for little notes, garden thoughts or precious moments. And I especially love this beautiful quote, "A garden is a grand teacher. It teaches patience and careful watchfulness." Isn't that so true? Gardens remind us to slow down, to observe and to trust the process. Things don't bloom overnight, and in many ways creativity feels exactly the same. Sometimes we plant ideas and simply have to wait patiently for them to grow. That's one reason I added lots of writing space throughout this journal. I think journals like this become even more meaningful when we fill them with thoughts, memories, observations and feelings. Maybe you want to write about the first flowers blooming in spring. Maybe you want to remember the scent of fresh rain after a warm day. Or maybe you simply want a little place to collect happy moments and quiet thoughts. I truly believe there's something magical about creating your own garden, whether it's outside in nature or right here inside the pages of a journal. Make your own magic. Plant your dreams, collect your memories, and watch them grow over time. Imagine sitting outside with a cup of tea, listening to birds singing, breathing in the scent of blooming roses, or feeling the fresh spring air after a long winter. Those tiny everyday moments deserve to be remembered too. And speaking of tiny little things, look at all these adorable little details throughout the journal. There are so many sweet little friends and helpers hiding inside, tiny birds, curious cats, buzzing bugs, and lovely garden companions. I think they make the journal feel so alive and full of personality. Each one has found a little place inside these pages, and maybe inside your hearts too. And of course, we can't forget the flowers. Look at all those gorgeous colors. After months of cold, darkness and grey winter days, seeing flowers bloom again feels like such a gift. Soft pinks, cheerful yellows, beautiful greens. It's such a joy for the eyes and soul. Spring always reminds me that new beginnings are possible. One thing I especially love about this accordion journal is that every page feels different and tells its own little story. Some pages have cozy little pockets filled with surprises, while others feature belly bands, envelopes and fun flip-outs that create little interactive moments as you explore the journal. There's always something new to discover around every fold and corner, which makes flipping through it feel a bit like opening tiny garden treasures. I really wanted this journal to feel soft, comforting, and full of wonder, a place where memories can grow right alongside creativity. And I hope this little flip through gives you some inspiration for your own journaling, crafting or garden themed projects. Thank you so much for spending this creative time with me today. I truly appreciate you being here. If you enjoy this little journal tour, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which page or detail was your favorite. I always love hearing your thoughts and creative ideas. Happy creating, take care, and I see you next time.